She is smiling through her tears, cheering me on from within. She will be revealed in time. She waits, hidden and patient. She believes in time. She believes in love. She prays. She loves. She is elegant and kind. Her light will fill me up, and I will become her. Until then, she will wait, hidden and patient. I am grateful that she is me, and I too will be waiting, hidden and patient.